quick look at my hot tub situation. I never finished this project, and then it failed. I had the solid state relay to replace one contactor. It looked just like this contactor. And this contactor was the first. There's like two contactors. This one never burned up. The other one burned up a long time ago. And I'd replaced it with a solid state unit. And this was not too successful. It was sitting out in the rain. Not enough heat sink on it. I was going to put a fan in the unit and didn't have the fan to put in when I was working on it, and it never got done. Ended up overheating. Both relays would short if they got too hot, so that wasn't good. But then the one relay just shorted, period. I was still kind of using it. The only problem then is my heater light was always on. But then the other side, no, the other side probably still works, actually. One of them with two relays. I'll have to check that out. But the relay that was shorted ended up shorting to the case and making a big short to the case. So that's something I should never do. Should never fail that way. At any rate, I put in two new contactors. Open this gingerly since it's hot. I wanted to open it up with two hands and not drop it or anything crazy. This tape I put on this 12 volt line had totally untaped itself. Got to do something different there. But there are the two new contactors. Pretty much replacing the original circuit. I kind of had to do some head scratching to figure it all out, because when I converted it to the other solid state units, everything was wired a little differently because they ran off of lower voltages. But I ordered 120 volt relays, wire it the way it more like it was originally anyway. And I used one with just straight contacts, so I wouldn't have to fuss around with hooks and stuff on the top, big contacts anyway. We put wire directly in them. So that's why I kind of did both of them, just to make it quick and dirty. I still have to straighten them out and bolt them in, make sure they clear this. See, this has got to clear this, basically. So it's got to go back just a little bit further, and I've probably got to bend those wires. So I got to neaten it up a little bit. Oops, and my little thing is coming unstuck. I need to nibble a hole for this guy. I'll probably have to buy a new nibbler before I attempt that. I got two old pairs. Neither one's very good. But this little Chinese unit is doing really well. Once I got it programmed, I had to look it up. I buy these things, then I can't figure them out later. You know, I buy them, they come later, a couple weeks later, and get backburnered for months, and then I don't know the details to them. I had to look it up online and find out what it was and find out how to program it. And once I programmed it, though, it was fine. It's working excellent, actually. So no complaints, simple solution.